guys, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the snowstorm that happened last Monday, January 17, 2022. As you can see, the snow is able to stop your car. So most people left their cars and there are no transports. So my mom got stranded and she came home 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And some people left their cars. The snow was above your kneecaps, guys. As you can see, the car that we just saw on the right got stuck. So they had to push it. Look at Daddy's car, it's full of snow. Look at the tire too. It's nearly buried. Look at that, guys. The wind blew a lot of snow. The mayor said it would take 1 week to clear all the snow. Watch the video, guys. This is what it looks like after the snowstorm, guys. The mayor said it would take 1 week to clear all the snow. Watch the video, guys.
Thank you.